turn of the century, 100 years ago. Making hay was a difficult task, accomplished with a hay rake, a haystack, and likely a very sore back. Then the baler came along to package crops. We roll into the 1990s with a new century of baling machines, a new century of capability. Case International knows that we can't meet all needs with just one design, just one package. So for 1991, you'll find a full lineup of our balers, plus 2 new models, the new 8555 rectangular baler and the new 8480 Round Baler. Let's get specific. The new 8555 rectangular baler is an efficient centerline design that fits the need for solid, uniform 16-inch by 18-inch rectangular bales. It replaces the model 8550 in our lineup of rectangular balers. Simply put, we've redesigned and improved this 16-inch by 18-inch baler to meet our customers' requests. Many improvements make this good machine even better. Changes reflect the specialized needs of growers who know that this larger rectangular bale means fewer bales to move and more efficient bale hauling and handling to save you money. This centerline baler is designed to handle the crop in a straight line, just like the smaller rectangular models. Centerline baling is gentle on the crop, from pickup to bale chute. The result? A higher quality bale with minimal leaf loss in a uniform, easy-to-feed size. The 8555 has a 105 stroke per minute, high-speed 23-inch short-stroke plunger. The short stroke reduces plunger wear, and the high speed provides higher capacity and dense, tightly packed bales. A unique feature on this 8555 is the cam-activated pre-packer. The 8555 has a greater storage capacity between each plunger stroke. The cam-controlled pre-packer is the most effective way to increase that capacity. These features produce bales that are dense and consistently uniform in length and weight. Our objective? To make the 8555 even more reliable and durable than any previous model. Significant improvements have been made in the pickup, the knotter, and the shuttle. For example, in the wide 91-inch low-profile pickup assembly, the speed of the centering augers has been increased by 19%. That means you can travel through the field just a little faster. More hay, less time, therefore higher capacity. Because more will be required of the pickup, we also changed the pickup teeth to a larger diameter coil made from a high tensile strength wire. And because we're asking more of the teeth, the tine bars that hold the teeth have also been improved. We've changed the tine bars from a channel shape to 1/4 inch thick angle-formed construction for a stronger, more durable machine. We've also made significant improvements in the knotter. The new knotters are a heavy-duty split-frame design that makes it easy to remove the complete assembly for servicing. The knotter shaft has been increased in diameter to 1 3/8 inches and is made from stronger high-carbon steel. The knotter cam gears are now made of ductile iron and are heat-treated. These changes enhance the life and reliability of the entire baler. New twine fingers and finger timing reduce knotter effort by 50%. Because the knotter rotates more easily, the load on the drive is reduced and knotter drive life is increased. The nodder drive now has a positive drive clutch to prevent nodder overrunning. We now use a roller cam reset instead of metal-on-metal contact. The result is improved nodder performance and reliability. You'll find that the nodder drive has been simplified by moving the brake and shuttle drive to the right-hand side. This system distributes the load more evenly across the nodder shaft, resulting in reduced maintenance and increased reliability. But that's not all. We have also changed the nodder brake from caliper to disc, providing a more effective method of holding the needles in position. Overall, we've reduced nodder effort to reduce the load on the entire nodder system. The new 8555's shuttle, sometimes called the needle carriage, is now a reinforced, fabricated structure for improved strength and dependability. You'll find the shuttle drive connection is a sealed pivot. The result? Reduced maintenance. The hydraulic bale tensioning system, standard on the 8555, has a pump drive which is isolated from the nodder drive. That means the hydraulic tension chain can be tightened separately, reducing its effect on the nodder. That makes the drive more reliable. Tractor requirements for the new 8555 rectangular baler: 540 RPM PTO, a minimum of 50 PTO horsepower. 1 set of remotes for the pickup hydraulic cylinder. Optional equipment: the wagon hitch, bale chute kit, bale chute extension, quarter turn chute, 8-ply high flotation tires, working light kit, centralized lube system, which allows you to manually grease the nodders from one location. The new Case International 8555 rectangular baler for 1991 provides the centerline design advantages for the producer who needs gentle crop handling. Quality, uniform 16-inch by 18-inch bales up to 52 inches long. Ready to stack, feed, and ship with ease. Next introduction, the new Case International Round Baler. The 8480 for 1991 is the fixed chamber model that gives you a neat 6-foot diameter by 5-foot width bale that weighs up to 1,800 pounds, with a dense water-resistant outer shell and a breathable, good-curing inner core. Our new round baler replaces the popular model 3650 in the Case International line of round balers. The 8480 fixed chamber baler complements the same size variable chamber baler, model 8460, to offer the widest choice of baler types within the Case line. We offer these choices to fill a wide variety of haymaking needs. Case International round balers handle crops gently, hay to grass, straw to stalks, producing quality bales via a labor and time-saving one-person operation. But significant differences between fixed and variable chamber balers determine which models best suit each operation. The fixed chamber baler, such as the new 8480, is a simple, easy-to-operate machine. The baler's low-maintenance design has fewer moving parts than variable chamber balers. Crop enters through an open throat. Bale-forming belts remain in a fixed position. The crop tumbles freely inside the chamber. This eliminates the need to weave during bale startups. As the bale chamber fills, additional crop continues to compress the material already in the chamber to form a dense, weather-resistant outer shell and a less dense, breathable inner core. These fixed-sized soft-core bales start easily, even in adverse crop conditions. Short, slick, or wet crops bale well, with minimal leaf loss. The soft-core bale allows you to bale a crop with a slightly higher moisture content. Loosely packed bales can lose their shape and can take in more moisture. Bales produced by the 8480 are compacted tightly, making the bale weather resistant to shed rain or snow, and they're easier to handle. Because the bales stay round, they store on the ground with less spoilage. But for the producer who wants variable bale size and rarely experiences difficult baling conditions, our variable chamber round balers fit those needs. The starting chamber of a variable size baler enables the core to form immediately, and hay is compacted tightly. This dense core allows for packing more crop with minimal leaf loss. The bale enlarges to the size selected by the operator. To make knowledgeable choices, we do believe you need to know these differences and the advantages of both variable and fixed size round balers. The 5 variable chamber models for 1991 produce bales from 550 pounds to 2,200 pounds, from 30 inches to 75 inches in diameter. The 2 fixed chamber models, 3450 and 8480, produce bales from 900 pounds to 1,800 pounds. Both bales are 5 feet wide, but the 3450 produces a 4-foot diameter bale, and the new 8480 produces a 6-foot diameter bale. But we're really here to introduce the new 8480 fixed chamber baler for 1991, and to highlight its features. An open throat fixed volume chamber that allows crop to enter directly, spread evenly across the throat, and form the bale easily, gently. The 11-inch wide endless molded forming belts provide over 93% coverage to minimize crop leaf loss. The wide belts in 5 forming sections reduce stretching and last many times longer than spliced forming belts. The 64.8-inch wide 4-bar pickup has 44 pair of high tensile strength tines and 2-gauge wheels as standard equipment. We have reduced the distance between the pickup and the bottom forming belts. The result is improved crop flow with less chance of crop hesitation or plugging. The pickup is easily changed from the field position to the transport position. The pickup is now chain-driven off the front forming roll and protected with an overrunning clutch assembly. A positive, simpler drive system. Dual twine arms reduce bale wrapping time. The 8480's electrically controlled twine arms assure fast, efficient, simple tying. Powered by a 12-volt system. No additional hydraulics are necessary. The 8480 control monitor is standard equipment, providing the operator with twine tying speed that is easily adjusted. And a bale full alarm provides both visual and audible indication that the bale is ready to tie. A few other improvements? We've moved the jack on the 8480 to a convenient out-of-the-way location and enclosed the twine boxes with shields for better wind and weather protection. You'll find that the main drive chain is a sealed O-ring design, a design that lasts many times longer than standard roller chains. A 540 RPM constant velocity driveline is standard, and the gearbox is easily converted from 540 RPM to 1000 RPM by reversing the gearbox position on the baler. Tractor requirements for our new 8480 round baler: a minimum of 70 PTO horsepower, but to fully utilize the baler, 90 PTO horsepower is recommended. The hydraulics require a single remote, 540 RPM PTO, and a 12-volt electrical system. Optional equipment: the trip gate allows the operator to start baling immediately after dumping a bale without backing up. The crop retainer prevents short or fine crops from backfeeding out of the front throat opening. amber warning lights, 8-ply high flotation tires. And due to the flammable nature of many crops, the fire extinguisher is highly recommended. The 8480 Round Baler for 1991 fills the need for a fixed chamber model for operators who bale early at higher moisture levels. The soft core bales cure with minimal spoilage. The baler does well in adverse conditions, providing easy bale starts for short, slick, or wet crops. And like the new 8555 rectangular model, the 8480 Round Baler fits easily into the entire lineup of our Case International balers. The object? To provide a full range of choices to fit customers' needs, from small, quality rectangular bales to labor-saving round bales. We roll into the 1990s with exciting capabilities, a mere century away from the rake, the stack, the really sore back.